Yeah, bumps and rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, and I.
Hello folks, welcome to another Yardie Belly's Kitchen, and today is Friday. That means it's Plant Power Fridays, guys, and today I am making a vegan stew peas. I will call it in Jamaica Ital stew peas. Alright, so let me just quickly run you through my list of ingredients, and yeah, it might be more or less depending on how I feel. Let's start with some onion. We have some onion diced up here. We have some garlic right there. We have thyme. Then I have some mushrooms here. That's a seafood mushroom or oyster mushroom. We have some jalapenos. I have celery here. I have okras right there. I have carrots right here. And I also have some Brussels sprouts. And these are, when you're doing an ital or a veggie stew peas, you basically put what you have available into the pot and make the pot run, make it bubble. Make it go down nice, you understand? I have some kidney beans, yeah, red kidney beans here, the dark one, and yeah, you know, we're going to add some kidney beans. Normally you can make this from scratch by boiling your peas and then using the boiling liquid as a starter, but we're going very, very simple today, so we're going to work with this one. As a matter of fact, let me show you the peas. Yeah, you can boil your dry peas like this, you understand? And soak it, boil it, use it, and you're good to go. Alright, but for today's exercise, we're gonna go with some canned peas, alright? And then over here, I also have some flour that has been made because we're gonna make spinners. Alright, now, simple job. Cut up all the ingredients as you see here, add them to your pot, and we're good to go. Now, with that being said, these may not be the only ingredients that we find in this pot, because as I go through my refrigerator, if I see any vegetable in there that's pertinent, I'm gonna use it. Alright, so guys, starting out with the vegetables, we're gonna sweat them down in some coconut oil. Let me show you the coconut oil. Sweat them down in some coconut oil, unrefined, cold press, extra virgin. Yeah, and then we start adding our flavors. As a matter of fact, you guys need to know that this is going to be cooked down with some coconut milk. Yes, man, coconut milk. And so this is one of the cans of coconut milk. Again, if you wanted to grate your coconut milk from the coconut itself, you can do so. But we're running with a quick and easy version of a traditional Ital stew or veggie stew. Yeah, man, traditional Jamaican stew peas. All right, let we go. We're going to start cooking now. So our spinners is just simply flour and water, and you knead it into your dough, and then you shape it into long slivers or round slivers, you know, and you add that to your pot. All right, it's very, very simple. You can add salt if you want, but it's not absolutely necessary. All right, now we just cut up the vegetable them and proceed. Now we have our vegetables all cut up and nice. And guys, remember, this is a very, very forgiving dish. Whatever vegetables you have at home can be used. You don't have to, you know, to worry about that. We're using these that we have, and I'm just cutting up some jalapenos to go with it. Cause one a little bite, one a little kick. And guys, simple process, preparation, and we're ready to go. So now we have our oil, coconut oil, you know, and we're just gonna start by adding in our onions and our garlic, all right? And I'm adding in all this garlic, guys, the whole container of garlic. And we want to get this sort of smelling good, yeah? And once this gets to a little bit more translucent stage, we're gonna start adding in the rest of our vegetables. All right, so we're just gonna keep on stirring this until it gets translucent. Next up, we're gonna add our thyme. And guys, I'm adding in the thyme big, yeah? And it will work good because you want the stems of the thyme to release a lot of the flavor, you know, before anything, right? So that smells so good already, don't babe? Alright. Then I'm adding in my jalapenos. And you want the jalapenos to cook right down. You don't want people to bite on any single jalapeno stem or anything. Yeah. And guys, this is a quick one, right? This is a quick and easy one. I promise you, you're not going to stay long. Now I'm adding in all my vegetables. All my vegetables I'm going to dump in. Alright? He said, how come you put in the vegetable early? Yeah, because we're not using the peas that we cook. So we just can saute everything. Peas cook already, you know. So we can just saute everything in the coconut oil and release some flavors. And then from there, we can make the stew work. See how this look good? Yeah, man. Brussels sprouts are hearty. Very, very tough, cruciferous vegetables that you can use in any type of stew. Them now go break apart or flop, you know. And so once you have them, use them up. Yeah, man, use them up, man. Alright, so we're just going to make this just do its thing for a little bit, and then we're going to add our peas in. Alright. The next thing I'm going to add is, I'm going to add some of my broth base. This is vegan, alright, and you can, this is a powder that I use to make broth, and I just add some to the vegetables. Yeah, just to give each of these vegetables them own flavor. You know, you vibes it up before you add in all the liquid. Yeah, man. If you don't have the broth base, you can use any type of powdered seasoning that you have on hand, and it works just the same. Right now, as it is, you can take this out and start eating because it's already seasoned up. You see that? So, nice. Look good, you know, baby. This looks good. And now I'm going to add my peas, guys. And I'm using the peas straight from the can because I need the liquid that comes with that peas, because that liquid have color. You understand? Very important. Very, very important. You see this color in the bottom of the can? That's peas. And you need that red, you know, from the can. So that's why I'm using the liquid. You know, you don't wash your peas when you're using this one. Let's go again. One more can. See that? Look in the bottom of the can. You see them stuff? You want to rinse that out of the can. Shake it and add it. Turn up your stove, and now you have stewed on your thing. Look at this, guys. Look on the veggie stew piece. You see that? Look there. Look there. I have to show you this. Alright, next up, I'll show you. Might have to put one more can in, babes, because this look a little bit. The can look a little bit. Come tell me, babes, you might have to put one more can. 2. Alright, guys, so we're going to go and work on it. So, guys, look at that. Adding 4 cans of peas. 4 cans of peas we're adding to this one. And look how it's red and nice. Watch it. And it's doing its thing, guys. It's doing its thing. I love the vibes. I love the vibes. It starts to flavor up already. Garlic stand up everything. Now you want to simmer it down with some coconut milk. Watch it. Look at that. And again, guys, if you want to make your coconut milk from scratch, that's up to you. If you want to make it from the powdered form, that's up to you. You're good to go. You know? But we're using a can of coconut milk for this one. And guys, it is looking good. Alright? Looking super super delicioso. Now I'm just gonna add some of my garlic ginger paste. This is homemade garlic ginger paste. Yeah, just a little, cause you know you need that little kick. Yeah, man. You can add fresh ginger, but the ginger paste is basically blended garlic, ginger, and jalapeno and some little stuff, cayenne pepper and things. Then I'm also gonna add some mushroom soya sauce, alright? To help with some flavoring and help the color come down a little bit. The coconut milk make it light pink. You want it a little deeper, alright? And you just allow this to just go and do its thing. Look at that, guys. Oh, look. Yeah, and we have spinach that come next. You ready for add the spinach, babes? Or we can wait a little bit? No, the spinach can go in, man. Spinach that come next. And we have some okra going there too, because a big man stew peas. This is not a boy stew peas. You understand? Big man stew peas. I tell you that straight. Yeah? So the thing said. Oh, they look good. Roll it over the pot and make sure that. Nice. This is the spinach, guys. And that's the small slivers of dough. The thing that makes this spinach unique is that we did the dough with coconut milk instead of just water. That's supposed to be nice, don't be? So guys, cornmeal and flour and coconut milk instead of just water. So guys, that one, yeah, trust me, this one is for the history books. Alright, so more spinach are come. So we have a clump of spinach over there, so a dough. And then we're gonna start seasoning up our pot. Remember me tell you. So I just added some pimento seeds. I added some dried onion, minced onion, and I started adding a little bit of garlic powder. The wife was the one who reminded me, say I'm videotaping, so I need to show you guys. Because the way the food I look good, may I get antsy. You know? May I get antsy already. Just want some more liquid now, baby. So I'm gonna add more coconut milk. Alright? So guys, look my man. Look palm the stew peas, man. Stew peas are bubble. Once the spinach done, you know, stew peas are almost ready, you know. Yeah man, once the spinach done, stew peas are almost ready. That's a good thing about vegetarian food, you know, have to take long to make it, you know. So we just are going to make it simmer down and go and do its thing. Bubble up and go and do its thing. Yeah, look good, look good, look good, look good. Alright guys, so we're at that point now. We're going to add my mushrooms. Yeah, and these mushrooms are just going to blend it nicely into the stew peas. It's not going to interrupt the flavor or anything. It's just alkaline and it's just going to add nice value to the stew peas. Alright. And because I don't want the okra to really and truly mash up in it. I want them for nice and palatable, but palatable. But a palatable is the word, right? Malleable. What the word? Because we want them to get a nice flavor, but not too incorporated. We want them in there. You understand? So guys, may go put that later. Almost when we're ready for lock off. So we're good to go right now. Everything is going good. So guys, we reach a point now where I almost are gonna lock off, and I'm just putting in my okra for about maybe 3-4 minutes, just to get them soft a little bit, and we're good to go. And the next thing we're gonna do now is share the food. Yeah man, just make this stay for 3-4 minutes, and then we share the food. Turn down the stove and make them steam, and now we're ready to plate. And this is part of our Plant Power Fridays menu. And so guys, we do a pop-up type of restaurant, pop-up type of catering service on a Friday, doing only plant-based meals. And so this is part of our plant-based, Plant Power Fridays, and this is one of the orders going out. Look good, look nice, and this is the finished plate, guys. Yeah, if you're in Port St. Lucie, you can link up, yeah man, and get yourself a good plate of vegan, Jamaican, vegan, vegetable, plant-based specialty. Yardie Belly TV, we have some tossed salad here, we have some butternut squash salad, and we also have our stew peas. I saw the thing set. Yardie Belly TV, always doing it, always making the banger videos, and big up on yourself. Remember, as always, live and laugh, cook and eat. Remember that Yardie Belly TV says so. You understand? And remember to check out our 1 day detox. Yes, the information is in the description box. You can always order a 1 day detox from us. Alright? Yardie Belly TV, big up on yourself.